right, it's Monday. Hope y'all had a good weekend. I got Mr. JD with me today. How you feeling, JD?
Monday.
That's all right. It's Monday. We're feeling it. We're gonna get with it. First one's a little remove and haul, a little 16x8 action. What are you breaking? All right, here's the remove and haul. We're gonna reconnect the lift master. Gonna take this guy out, install the new. Easy peasy. Yeah, we're all set up. We're ready to rock this thing. All right, so busting the track out. Something looks a little different, right? Why?
It goes all the way through. Just in case you didn't have enough drill bit to go through the 2 inches, right?
Yeah, we put a little larger bottom seal on. That way these guys get a nice seal at the bottom of the floor. We're about ready to throw in some panels. We got all the tracking up, the spring line up. Yeah, we're ready to get after this and finish it up. Getting her stacked in. All right, guys, there it is, 16x8, a pretty door. On our way to the next one, but first we gotta hit the Lucky Mart. So JD's a lot of fun to work with.
Liar.
He does all the hard stuff, and he doesn't make me work too much.
Oh, you're recording, aren't you?
Got him.
Are you actually?
Maybe take that one out and post edit.
Maybe that one goes on to the soul.
Yeah, right. JD is a funny guy.
Oh, no, that's a lie.
All right, here's our second install. Steel pan, pretty basic. Right there is our Hulse, big Hulse. So that's going in, big upgrade. So we're gonna rip this one out and get going. All right, there it is. Second remove and haul of the day. Nice little makeover for these guys, and they're super pumped. Take out that old nasty steel pan. Well, that's it for today. Got to work with JD. Nice, good dude to work with. Mr. JD, I was just talking about you. Your red beard.
Red beard, isn't it red? Got it.
That's it, we're parking them for the day. Son of a biscuit.